you know what, man? I've been thinking about a few things this morning, and we take chances to get by, to pay bills, to start our businesses. You got to take chances. You got to take sacrifices. I mean, because a lot of us don't have the credit or the person that we can just go get a 100,000, thousand, 3,000 or a million, whatever it takes to get your business started. We don't. A lot of us don't have that. So we have to use our work ethics. But I would say this: if it's in your spirit to be a boss, to be a leader, to have your own business, then most definitely don't allow the system to get you trapped up in just being a worker, because you're going to waste a lot of their time trying to please some people that all they doing is trying to please somebody else. It's like a whole lot of ass kissing, you know what I mean, on these jobs. So know what you want. And sometimes, man, things get difficult when you out here, but it does. Just keep in mind what you're doing it for. And if it get too critical, man, move on. You know what I mean? Don't let nobody disrespect you. Disrespect who you are for $1. If you allow someone to disrespect who you are for some money, then you just sold your soul. All